What if some of the healthiest foods on Earth weren't discovered in modern laboratories, but were already being eaten thousands of years ago? Many of these foods appear repeatedly in biblical writings, but they weren't just symbolic. They were everyday nourishment for people whose survival depended on natural food. These foods are not miracle cures, but they are rich in fiber, antioxidants, minerals, and plant compounds that help support the body's natural systems. In this guide, we'll explore 10 biblical foods that carry both ancient significance and modern scientific interest. And we'll begin with one of the oldest fruits in recorded history. Before we begin, share with us in the comments your age and where you are watching us from. We read and reply to every single comment. Now, without any ado, let's start with number 10. Number 1, figs, the fruit of ancient healers. Figs were one of the most widely consumed fruits in ancient Middle Eastern cultures. They were easy to dry, easy to store, and rich in nutrients. Modern research shows figs contain high levels of dietary fiber, potassium, calcium, and plant antioxidants. Studies suggest these compounds may help support digestive health, promote healthy blood pressure, and reduce oxidative stress in the body because of their natural fiber content. Figs may also help support gut balance and steady blood sugar when eaten in moderation. Number 2, raw honey, nature's ancient sweetener. For thousands of years, raw honey has been valued not just as food, but also for its natural medicinal properties. Modern research shows that raw honey contains antibacterial compounds, including small amounts of hydrogen peroxide and plant flavonoids. These natural compounds may help inhibit bacterial growth, support wound healing, and provide antioxidants that help protect cells. Unlike refined sugar, raw honey also contains trace enzymes, minerals, and plant nutrients. Number 3, olive oil, the liquid gold of the ancient world. Olive oil has been a foundation of Mediterranean diets for thousands of years. Today, modern clinical research strongly supports its health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenol. These compounds are associated with improved heart health, lower inflammation, and better cholesterol balance. Large population studies of Mediterranean eating patterns consistently show lower rates of cardiovascular disease in regions where olive oil is a daily staple. Number 4, dates, the desert's natural energy source. Dates were a critical survival food in desert cultures. They provided quick energy, important minerals, and long shelf life. Dates contain natural sugars, fiber, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidant compounds. Research suggests they may support digestive health and provide sustained energy during physical activity. Their fiber content may also help slow sugar absorption compared with many processed sweets. Number 5, pomegranates, a fruit packed with antioxidants. Pomegranates have attracted significant scientific attention for their powerful antioxidant content. They contain unique plant compounds called punicalagins and anthocyanins. Research suggests these compounds may support heart health, help reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function. Some studies also suggest potential benefits for metabolic health and blood pressure balance. Number 6, lentils, the protein of ancient civilizations. Lentils were one of the most reliable protein sources in ancient diets. They remain one of the most nutrient-dense plant foods available today. Lentils provide plant protein, fiber, iron, folate, and magnesium. Modern research shows legumes like lentils may help regulate blood sugar, support cholesterol balance, and promote digestive health. Their combination of fiber and protein also helps support fullness and stable energy levels. Number 7, barley, one of the world's oldest grains. Barley has been cultivated for thousands of years across many ancient civilizations. What makes barley unique is its high content of beta-glucan, a soluble fiber studied extensively in modern nutrition science. Clinical research suggests beta-glucan may help reduce LDL cholesterol, support gut microbiome health, and improve blood sugar regulation. Because barley digests slowly, it provides long-lasting energy and supports metabolic balance. Number 8, grapes, small fruit with powerful compounds. Grapes have been consumed fresh, dried, and fermented for millennia. They contain several plant compounds, including resveratrol, flavonoids, and polyphenol. Scientific studies suggest these compounds may help protect blood vessels, support heart health, and reduce oxidative stress. Resveratrol, in particular, has been widely studied for its potential role in cardiovascular health and cellular aging. Number 9, almonds, nutrient-dense and remarkably balanced. Almonds were highly valued in ancient cultures and remain one of the most nutritionally balanced nuts. They contain healthy fats, vitamin E, magnesium, protein, and fiber. Research shows regular almond consumption may help improve cholesterol levels, support metabolic health, and reduce markers of inflammation. Their combination of healthy fats and protein also helps promote satiety and balanced energy. Number 10, onions, a powerful food for the gut. Onions were a staple ingredient in ancient kitchens and are now recognized for their important role in gut health. They contain natural prebiotic fibers, such as inulin and fructooligosaccharides. These compounds feed beneficial gut bacteria and help support microbiome balance. Onions also contain quercetin, a plant compound studied for its antioxidant and cardiovascular benefits. Ancient cultures often relied on simple foods grown close to the land. The lesson isn't that ancient foods are magical. It's that many time-tested foods provide the same nourishment our bodies still need today. And when traditional wisdom meets modern science, we often rediscover something remarkable. If this video gave you new insight, please consider hitting the like button. Not just for me, but so YouTube knows this message matters. Comment below which superfood surprised you the most. Thanks for watching.